Hey guys, welcome back. I'm coming on today to do a layout for the scrap room for the Mixing the Kits layout, where I take my pattern paper kit, I take my embellishment kit and my Shots of Life kit, mix them all up, and I make a layout. Now I've used a ton of the goodies from the Shots of Life kit. So like I have like one die cut left from this Day in the Life collection and all that, but we're going to make this happen. The first thing I do know is I am smitten with this Damask Love collection, so I really want to use this. But here's the dealio. I'm also going to do the Freaky Fast Friday formula, so I will need to cut one of my papers 5 by 12. One will be 1/2 by 12. Do we have branding strips? Oh, we do. So that might be branding strips. I need a 1 by 12, a 3 by 4, and 4 2.5-inch circles. Now what I thought I would do, because my circle punch is, I think I have a 2 and I have a 3, but this little stamp block is a 2.5. So what I thought I could do is just trace around with that. And then if I make sure to, sorry, letting it dug out, making sure to just scuff up the edges, it won't really matter that I can't cut straight. Just can't do it. So I had that, and I was looking through these papers in the pattern paper add-on kit, and I was thinking that this one had about the same saturation, so that keeps it interesting. This definitely works right here. This one's by Echo Park, My Favorite Spring. So look at that. Okay, that works. This works-ish, because this almost goes orangey on me. This could be that 3 by 4 piece right here that we need. Okay, that is awesome. So anywho, whole point is, there's a little bit of a mixy-matchy. Now, from Damask Love in the embellishment kit, we have these 2 really great washi, so I want to make sure to invoke them. I've got some enamel dots, and this corally tone definitely works. Let's see what else could work. The green could work, the yellow could work. So yeah, super lucky with the enamel dots. And a bunch of these pieces from the Day in the Life sticker sheet will work. So I am in a really good position for that. Now, let me show you my photo real quick. This is a photo right here. This is my oldest daughter and her best friends. And they were getting ready for a girls' night out, and they're so nice. They went ahead and sent me a picture because they know that I'm a scrapbooker. So they're super cute. Anywho, so what I'm going to do now is I have to pick a background paper. And I think I'm going with this. I think it really, really works. Then I will be spending a minute cutting up the other pieces to their sizes they have to be. Speaking of that, I want to get this card right away for my 3 by 4 before I cut something. And then I will be back. Once I have them all cut up, I'm going to trim out. Oh, my photo is trimmed. I've got to map my photo, do all of these things, and I'll come back when I think we've got a little bit of traction. Guys, really quickly, I had to pivot because I was going to use this one for my background, and then I flipped to the other side, and I want to use both. So for my background, I'm going to use from Echo Park, My Favorite Spring Things. And there's all these little cute bumblebees, which reminds me of these busy, busy girls. There's some that have started careers, some that are finishing up college, all that kind of thing. So this will be my plain background, as it were. Now I'm really going to cut up those pieces. So y'all, I have my pieces cut out, and quite frankly, they come together incredibly easily. So 3 by 4 card. I've got my 4 2.5-inch circles. Great. Cut very poorly. I've got a 1/2-inch piece. I've got a 1-inch piece and a 5 by 12. So this piece, I do so many layouts like that. So why don't I come in for a change and do one of these? I think I will scallop punch this peachy edge. I think that would be awesome. And then maybe this piece can go slightly under here, so I get mostly that deep, deep yellow as a border. Great. this is what I'm thinking. I have this, and I'm gonna want my photo to overlap a little bit. Cute little card here. I still have to map my photos. And then I can do something of a diagonal design if I just bring in the strongest colors as I go. I don't need this part to show. So I can have this coming down a bit, this gorgeous floral, and then maybe something like that. Now, make me happier if I have them all scuffed up to make it just a little bit more fun. But I'm thinking this is our basic design. Oh, and I cut this out from the Day in the Life set of cards. You know how the one side is all cut aparts? Because I thought it was adorable. So maybe that can bring this strong corally color down here. All right, I'm going to scuff up all the edges. Oh, this needs a tiny trim. Now when I scuff it up, it'll go away. I have to get my fun little border punch going. Scuffy, map my photos. And I'll be back in a minute. Hey guys, check-in time. I have all of my pieces are attached, not my little circly bits. I still have to put them on. I scalloped this corally piece and I have everything scuffed up, did that. Now I wanted to see how this piece by Damask Love, not piece, it is a washi. I have two, and I think this one might be a little busy considering all my pattern, but this one is a little bit, for me, low key. So I thought I could add just a little extra, some kind of zhuzh with this along this border because it's fun and bright and cute. So let's get that on there. Loving that. Bringing that around. Awesome. And then I'll try to make sure to use that in a couple more places because it brings it all in together. Now, these circly bits, I thought I would just do 2 clusters with them, and we talked about that I didn't need that part showing. So why don't we do something kind of like that? Great. And then we'll have these 2 cluster bits. Let's see. This one down here. And then I just see the florals seem to go every which way with this collection. I'm like, I don't know what side's up. I don't know. Okay. Then I quadruple matted my photo because I liked all the patterns and I just was not willing to pick which one was the favorite. So I do know I'm going to put this behind my photo a little bit. And I'll have this doing kind of one of those cattywampus kind of things. And then, oh, but wait, there's more. I do want to, you know what I want to do? I want to go ahead and pop my photo up on some foam while I'm at it. So about here. And guys, I haven't even thought about the decorating yet. This piece right here by Damask Love has these really great speech bubbles, and I want to cut out a few of those. So I'm going to be doing that, making them into embellishments, and then I want to spend a second looking at the goodies that, you know, embellishments and all that stuff that came with the kit and making it all come together. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. There we go. Let's see. So one of these. Now, if I went like that, it would bring everything down on a really strong diagonal. And I kind of like that idea. But I can come up just a little bit so it's not as... I'll just make sure to put something right there. That's what we'll do. Okay. Let me square this off-ish. This is on a little bit of an angle. Perfect. I still don't even know what my title is. Now I do have this piece right here that I really was digging on. So since I thought it was so nifty, I'm going to go ahead and cut it. I'm going to cut out some of these pieces and I'll be back in a jiffy. So here is a quick look-see. I used 3 speech bubbles that I thought matched really, really well and popped them up on top. And you saw that I put a little foam on that Today is Great piece. Now I'm looking through and I think this Here and Now is going to be the winner for my title. I was looking and I loved how I was able to do some combining with these collections, and that's one of the things that is so fun for me, is mixing and matching collections and seeing where I can kind of have it like where it can take me. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. So I did not have like a large, like, you know how sometimes you have like these 4-inch titles. I did not have that, but the Here and Now has enough of like the, I'm going to do quotes of white space around it that I think it looks super cute. You can see below my photo, I put those things that look like little postage notes. I thought they were so cute to hang off the photo. And I'm sprinkling some of the enamel dots around that came in this kit because, I love them. That's the whole reason why. And seriously, this ended up being so cute. And we started with a Freaky Fast Friday challenge, cut out our pieces, and let it lead us into a design, which I think is super awesome. I am a big, big fan of, the challenges that are always at the scrap room. So here are some still shots. You can see a little bit more close up my scuffing and the pieces I have popped out, all of that kind of stuff. I'm going to have links down below for where you can get your hands on these kits, the Scrap Room blog, the Facebook group, and all of that good stuff. So bye for now, friends.